Skip, 3-0, 3 points in the bag, the most important thing?
Yeah, it's important after stop-start January and Feb to get a win because we're going to March with a full programme, so yeah, it's good to get 3 points today.
You mentioned a full programme, it's got 5 games now in the next 5 weeks and ending with London at the end of the so it's about getting the momentum again, isn't it? Yeah,
we told the lads at the start of the day, and like I say, going into that programme, they come thick and fast, and every game's important and every game's tough, so we need to be at it.
And we know we can score goals. Adam getting another 2 today, but it was defensively his first clean sheet since Glengaffney last year. So
yeah, we harp on about getting clean sheets, you know, and then we want them every week, so to speak. So it's good to get one today. You know, it was windy today, and it wasn't great to watch, to be honest, but we got the job done.
And you said about the wind, at the end of the day, end of the season, it's going to be the points that matter, not the performance. So it's
today was about 3 points. You know, they came and set up to frustrate us, and they did at certain points, parts of the game. You know, Adam clinically for his 2 goals, and Jake with a good finish. So it was just important to get the 3 points, get over the line, and then prepare for a really tough game next week.
And talk about the next game next week. Vital to have a full squad going into it now, especially.
Yeah. You know, we said that from the start, really. You know, when everyone's fit, it's a really strong squad, and everyone's fighting for places. You look at the bench today; it was really strong. You know, and we've got those options to bring players on and to you know, select the best team to win the game, to beat the teams that we're playing against. So you know, it's keep going on about the next 2 months, but you know, everyone's going to contribute, and everyone's going to be part of it.
And lastly, Ieuan Hewitt, now coming back from his injuries, was the captain of most of the season. He's looking another great addition.
Yeah, it's good to get minutes. You know, for Ieuan, he done really well today. I think he did a couple of assists. So we always knew of his quality. It's just unfortunate with his injury at the start of the season. But he's building up the minutes, building up his fitness, and like I say, we always knew about his quality.
So yeah, not the greatest game in the end, but the 3 points is all that matters.
Yeah. To be fair, like the conditions were quite deceiving. But for the first half we done quite well, and probably second half it was just as hard, you know, going with the ball. But you know, 3 points clean sheets, we done well, I thought.
And on a personal note, nice for yourself to start getting back to fitness, man.
Yeah, well, I said before, I'm starting to feel a bit fitter, a bit stronger, and did cramp up towards the end, like I'm a bit stiff now, but no, we're getting there, which is good.
Yeah, and you had a nice assist as well for the first goal, I think it was. So that's
yeah. I said to Adam, like the 2 assists against Conway, I said the same kind of thing, put the balls in the right areas, and luckily it did. It paid off again.
Yeah, and what are you trying to bring to the team from that right back position? You're obviously good going forward, but you look equally comfortable defending as well.
I don't know. I've been out a long time, and it's just trying to watch like the likes of Spender and see what he does and what I can bring going backwards as well. I don't know. It's just nice to be out there, really enjoying it.
And it must be nice, obviously, to have Gaz next year to help you through the game and others as well.
He's experienced, isn't he? And same with Tomo. Like I say, learning off them and then passing your experience on to the other lads, the younger lads as well. I think we're doing well and we're in a good position.
And on the team perspective, we're going to the sort of business end of the season now, so today obviously nice to get 3 points on the board and build a bit of momentum. Yeah,
it's been tough, hasn't it? Like stop, start, and then hopefully now that one's out of the way, big game next week, and then we've got 7 or 8 games left, and hopefully take each game as it comes.